What's up guys, so the Doogee V31 GT is an upcoming rugged 5G powerful device from Doogee. The device is expected to be released in a few weeks, but it's going to be this month. This device is packed with tons of cool features and specs, and in this video we'll be exploring some of its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device is a rugged device. It is designed to be more durable than standard devices. It is also rated IP68 and IP69K, which indicates that the phone is highly resistant to dust, water, and high pressure jets. The device is also military grade standard H10H certified, which suggests that the phone meets specific military standards for durability, including resistance to shock, vibration, and extreme temperatures. The device also packs a really nice design with a round shaped camera module at the back that contains 3 cameras and a flash. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Dimensity 1080 processor, a very powerful 5G processor. This is one of the reasons why Doogee is one of the most respected rugged brands out there. When it comes to releasing powerhouses, Doogee doesn't disappoint. This is Doogee's second device to be powered by this processor. The first was the Doogee V Max. Paired with the Dimensity 1080 is 12GB RAM that is expandable and 256GB UFS 2.2 internal storage. The device has a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz IPS water drop notch screen for a vibrant and smooth visual experience. And regarding the cameras, like I mentioned earlier, this device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP primary sensor. It is the Sony IMX766 sensor, not the Samsung GN1, followed by a 24MP night vision camera, which would be useful in low light conditions, and an 8MP camera. The device also supports thermal imaging, guys, and the wardrobe notch houses a 32MP camera for selfies and video calls. Just like many other rugged devices, this phone is packed with a really large battery, a 10,800 mAh battery, which is expected to provide an excellent battery life. This battery is expected to last for 2-3 days on a single charge, and it supports 66 watt fast charging, which ensures quick replenishment of the battery. The other features of this phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It also supports face unlock. The device supports NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, 5G connectivity. It runs on the stock version of Android 13, which means this device will be getting the latest security updates, and it won't be shipping with unnecessary bloatware that would occupy space. So these are some of the top features of the Doogee V31 GT. It's a very powerful 5G device with tons of cool features, including Wi-Fi 6, 5G support, and so on like that. And of course, I'll be comparing this rugged phone with other 5G rugged devices. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming rugged phone from Doogee, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.